Montana Matters, we're joined by Nicole Miles. She is the Senior Director of Legacy Giving with the St. Vincent Healthcare Foundation. Thanks so much for joining us today, Nicole. So we're talking about the Saints Ball, which is October 1st. It is always a very fun event for the entire community to enjoy, and it's all for a great cause. This year's ball is benefiting the Pediatric Intensive Care Unit. Tell us a little bit more about that unit.
That's right. Well, thank you so much for having us. Yeah. And you're right. The 38th Annual Saints Ball is going to be one to remember for sure. But really, most importantly, is what we're raising money for that evening, which is our Pediatric Intensive Care Unit. Prior to us starting the Intensive Care Unit in 2008, so about 2003, we were actually transporting around 400 patients every year to out-of-state hospitals. Thankfully, since we have started our Pediatric Intensive Care Unit, those numbers have gone down to less than 40. So we're very proud of the work we do, and it's so important to allow children to heal close to home when they're going through those traumatic, intensive situations.
Right, so a very important fundraising event to help out with this Pediatric Intensive Care Unit, keeping these families together, and here in Montana when they're going through this care. Talk to us a little bit about the theme of this year's Saints Ball.
Sure. So we're very excited, and as you can imagine, you know, we're having a lot of fun with this. Our Pediatric Intensive Care Unit is actually going to be zoo themed, and so we thought, what the heck, let's go with this zoo theme. So it's Go Wild for kids, and we're going to have everything that you can imagine. So we'll actually have animals there from Zoo Montana. We've partnered with them, a chance to win a Harley, and you know, we're asking our guests to pull out that bow out of their closet that's maybe gathered a little bit of dust, or that cheetah or leopard print, and really have a great time. The band is phenomenal. The Groove Merchants again this year. Last year we had them, and the dance floor was full the whole night. So we're looking forward to a really fun event.
Okay, a fun event. The attire is formal, but like you mentioned, you can dress it up a little bit with that fun animal print to go right along with this year's theme. Okay, so how can viewers donate towards this important cause? And maybe learn more about attending this event? Sure,
definitely. So by visiting our foundation website, which is svfoundation.org, or they can call at 237-3600. You know, we have a lot of advertising out right now to kind of push the event, but you know, really anything adds to our total and our donation for that night. So donations are always very much greatly appreciated.
And what is the fundraising goal?
So the actual project itself is $2.3 million. We do have $1 million secured from the Fortin Foundation, and so that night we typically raise about $1 million.
Okay, and tell us the details about where the event is taking place, what time people should show up. Do they need to get their tickets in advance?
Sure, yes. We do ask that you get your tickets in advance just so we know how many to expect. We do have a couple of tables left, and you can also purchase single tickets. Just calling the foundation again, 237-3600, or our website. Event starts at 6 p.m. that evening with cocktails, and then the evening is off to a bang at 7, and at the Radisson Hotel and Convention Center.
Okay, so a wonderful event for a great cause here in Billings. Nicole Miles, we want to thank you so much with the St. Vincent Healthcare Foundation, and as she mentioned, you can give them a call or visit their website for more information.